Okay, Ian, let me see. William, wait. Okay, Ian, what is it?
It is Star Wars stuff.
What?
General Grievous.
Did you want that?
Yeah.
Cool. That's just a bag that I accidentally threw in there with it. Sorry.
And now it's my turn, right?
Okay, now it's your turn, JD.
There's a box inside there. You got a box. You got a box, William. Big box.
Do you like your General Grievous?
Yes.
Did you want the General Grievous?
Yes. I think you might have got some clothes.
What is it, Tatey?
It's a waist costume.
What?
It's a waist costume.
What is it?
It's a waist costume.
Oh my goodness! Did you want that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Who got that for you?
Grandpa.
And who else?
And Grandma Gail.
Grandma Sue.
Grandma Sue.
Oh my gosh!
Mama, does it have pants?
That's a whole one-piece suit. Lay it out on the floor and take a look at it. Lay it down. Turn it over. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna turn. Oh, Mama, I have pants. I don't want to wear it.
When?
Right now, for Halloween.
For Halloween? It's not Halloween. You silly. You like it?
Yeah, I like my present.
You like yours? Ian, you want to tell Grandpa and Grandma why you got to open up a present today?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was a good boy and I listened to Mama and William fell down. So I fell down.
And no, and you helped. You took care of brothers. You made them breakfast. Got their diapers changed. Where's your gorilla? Where's your diaper?
Mama, can I put this on? And it even has a mask!
It's got a helmet. Did you see the helmet, Tatey?
Yeah.
Where is the helmet?
And it has Lightning the King on it.
Lightning the King. Cool. What do you say to Grandpa and Grandma?
Thank you.
Ian, what do you say?